Bakit DMCI? Marami namang ibang developer dyan. First, it's a quadruple A developer and contractor. DMCI is the first real estate firm that has been recognized by PCAB as a quadruple A developer. It means they can compete internationally. With over 70 years of building high-rise condominium, energy plant, mining, infrastructure, no wonder DMCI known as a builders of landmark. Sila lang naman ang contractor ng Manila Hotel, PICC, CCP. Sa mga infrastructure naman, Cebu Cordoba Link Expressway, NAIA Terminal 1, NAIA Expressway, NLEX, TIPLEX, Manila Skyway, LRT Line 2, Cavite Laguna Expressway. Sa mga building naman, SM Mega Mall, Fairview, Dasma, Sukat, Manila at MOA, Royalton Tower sa Ortigas, Bertidian Tower sa Green Hills, Makati Diamond Residence, Solay Resort Casino, Rockwell Center Tower, Shangri-La Hotel Boracay, Asian Hospital, Manila Doctors Hospital, PSA Tower, DBP Tower, BPI Tower, PNB Tower, at marami pang iba. Sa energy sector naman, isa din ang DMCI sa mga gumagawa ng dam at nagmamay-ari ng electric power plant at mining. DMCI din ang isa sa mga gumagawa at nagmamay-ari ng Maynilad. Number 2, value for money. Sa DMCI kasi, hindi pwede ang pwede na. It should be, you'll get more than what you pay. In other developer, they practice the standard 70-30 ratio. 70% of the space is for residential and the 30% of the space is allotted for open space, hallways, and amenities. But here at DMCI, we practice the 60-40 ratio. Ibig sabihin, 40% of the space is allotted for residential and the 60% of the space is allotted for open space, hallways, and amenities. Talaga namang maluwag, maaliwalas, at relaxing ka dito. Number 3, iconic design. Only DMCI condo has this iconic luminant design. Ito yung mga butas sa condo na nakikita natin. This will provide a good ventilation and gives natural light to all the facades of the building. It also serves as an sky patio, garden, viewing deck. Alam nyo ba na merong halos 20 more or less na butas or sky patio sa bawat building. At bawat isa ay katumbas ng 3 unit. Kaya all in, halos 60 na unit or 350 million ang nilitgo ni DMCI. Masunod lang at mabigay ang magandang benefits nito. Number 4, resort-inspired amenities. Kiddie pool, lounge pool, leisure pool, play area, gym, multi-purpose court. Idagdag pa natin ang Sky Garden, 360 viewing deck at infinity pool sa roof deck. Talaga namang mag-e-enjoy ang family mo dito. Number 5, built to last, always well-maintained. DMCI lang naman ang mas kilala sa pinaka-well-maintained na condo. Kaya naman sulit at sure ang ROI mo dito. Don't settle for anything less. Tara, mag-viewing na tayo sa DMCI. For more info and site viewing, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.